It's been a little while since I talked through my Quest 2 setup, and since then, if you can believe it, there are even more additions I have made to my VR setup, courtesy of the guys over at VR Cover. So yes, just to call that out, the accessories in this video were provided to me by VR Cover, but they are literally leading the charge in terms of Quest 2 accessories, so honestly, I would have ended up buying most of them myself anyway. So if you wanted to check out any of the accessories in this video and support the channel at the same time, links to all of them can be found in the description down below. So we have to start off with my favorite accessory because I'm too impatient to wait to talk about it. When I was accumulating accessories for my Quest 2 setup, I was super surprised that controller grips weren't one of the first things available. I had these on my first Oculus Quest and they were an absolute game changer. Firstly, yes, in terms of security and safety, yes, you're less likely to drop them or, throw them at someone's stupid face. But also in terms of immersion, there are parts of some games that don't require you to be held onto something physical in the virtual world at all times, so instinctively you just want to let go and relax your hands. That's exactly what these grips allow you to do. They are super easy to add to your controllers by just literally sliding them on, and then the straps can then be adjusted for your hand size, whether they are skinny or thick with 2 C's. And the pack also comes with replacement straps just in case you do get carried away and have an accident. Speaking of which, the perfect accessory to pair with the controller grips are the halo protectors. Again, these are super easy to install by just sliding them over the controller, and they're made of a rubbery yet firm material for added protection, just in case your controller is dropped or thrown again. And I literally can't be the only person who has strayed too far to the edge of the Guardian lines and, punched a wall. I'm just saying, a set of these things is like £13. A single replacement controller for the Quest 2 is $69. 69. Nice. Not to mention, the combination of the 2 accessories together honestly just looks kind of fire. This is the high-tech kind of look I always had in my head as a kid when I thought about virtual reality. Next, if you saw my Quest setup video, which over 100,000 of you have at this point, so firstly, thank you very much for that. But you'll remember I replaced the stock head strap with the Elite strap. However, I am extremely aware that just those 2 words are enough to start a massive controversy. So if you've opted to stick with the stock strap for the time being, but you're still looking for some added comfort, you may be interested in these foam strap covers. These literally Velcro over the top of the stock Quest 2 strap and add some added comfort and security, as these are much less likely to slip around during gameplay. As I said, if you're avoiding the Elite strap for obvious reasons, this is a pretty good middle ground. Next, another change I've made on my headset since my last video is to the replacement facial interface. Now, my original one was from VR Cover anyway, so why would I need to change it? Well, now they got colors. So I changed out my gray facial interface and black foam for this red and white combination, which honestly just makes the whole look a lot better. But these replacement facial interfaces are also available in blue, pink, and dark gray, and each come with an option of either white or black foam replacements. So these are just some of the new accessories for the Oculus Quest 2 in the relatively short time it's been released. As mentioned, links to everything I've talked about in this video, as well as all of the other accessories in my setup, will be in the description down below, as well as the links to VR Cover's website, so you can check out what else they have available. But what is your must-have accessory for the Oculus Quest 2? Let me know in those comments down below. But if you enjoyed this video, you found it somewhat helpful, a like rating would be appreciated. If you haven't already, remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications so you don't miss the next video. Hope everyone's staying safe out there, and as always, I shall see you in the next one.